question 1. For question 1 is explain the meaning of differentiation and what are the techniques of differentiation. The first one is meaning of differentiation. The answer is fundamental concept in calculus that describe how a function changes as its input changes. For instance, it measures the rate of change or the slope of function at any given point. For example, imagine a curve on a graph. Differentiation helps determine how steep the curve is at different points. So there are 4 techniques that we can use, which are, the first one is derivatives of constant, linear and power functions. The second one is derivatives of sum and differences. The third one is product rule, and the last one is quotient rule. So I think this is what differentiation is all about.
Right, so let's proceed to the question 2a. For question 2a, we're given y equals to e power 2x times sin times x plus 2. For this question, first of all, you need to identify which is where is u, where is v. First of all, the u is the first letter after equal, which is exponent power 2x, and the v it is sin times x plus 2. Excuse me. Right. So from the question itself, you can identify it is product rule. Why it is product rule? Because it was times in the middle of u and v, right? Otherwise, if it is like exponent power 2x over sin times x plus 2, it was quotient rule. Okay, it was a product rule. We need to write this the product rule formula, which is u v prime plus v u prime, as simple as that. But before you substitute into the formula, you need to differentiate both of the u and v first. U, which is exponent power 2x, and we differentiate it by u prime equals to exponent times powers 2x times 2 and 2 exponent 2x. So this is u prime, and for v equals to sin times x plus 2, and we differentiate it, v prime equals to cos times x plus 2 times 1. Why 1? Because if you see at the x, there is no power at all. So like pretend there is a power 1 right here, and we put 1 in front of the x, and the x like vanish and it becomes 1. This equals to cos times x plus 2. Okay, so you can already substitute into the formula. Alright, so we write again the formula, dy ds equals to u v prime plus v u prime. U, which is exponent power 2x, times v prime, which is cos times x plus 2, and plus v sin times x plus 2, u prime, which is exponent the power 2x. Alright, but this isn't the final answer yet, because you can factorize. The final answer will be exponent power 2x times cos times x plus 2 plus 2 sin x plus 2. Alright, so this is the final answer. Then that is for the question 2a. Right, for question 2b. For question 2b, we need to use quotient rule. vu prime minus uv prime over v2. Now, let's identify which one is u prime and vu prime. U equals to 4x plus 2, for u prime equals to 4, and v ln x, and for v prime for 1 over x. How do we get this 4? We differentiate this u, and then you will get u prime. For v, we need to differentiate this v, and you will get v prime. And then write down dy dx equals to, and we need to substitute all of this into this formula. Ln x multiplied to 4 minus 4x plus 2 multiply 1 over x ln x squared. Then after that, simplify 4 ln x minus 4x plus 2 over x per ln x squared. You can cancel this x, then you will get ln x minus 4 plus 2x over ln x. Then this is your final answer.
Okay, for question 3, given the question is e to the power of y squared minus 4 minus x into y cube equal to 1 minus cos x. Okay, first, we need to analyze the question first. For this question, we can find that x over y cube is quotient of u is equal to x, u prime is equal to 1, v is equal to y cube, and v prime is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So we need to put dy over dx. If there is a y in the differentiation part, we need to differentiate all of the question. We differentiate, we got this, we need to write the same equation, then we need to multiply by the differentiation of the power. So 2y, 2 minus 1 is 1, then negative 4, when we differentiate we get 0, v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. Differentiate 1, we get 0, and minus negative sign 5x, and differentiate the inside of the cos 5. We get 2y exponent power of y squared minus 4, y over dx minus v is equal to y cube, u prime is equal to 1 minus u x, and v prime 3y squared dy over dx over y cube square. Okay, then equal to negative 5 times 5x. Okay, rewrite the equation. Minus y cube multiplied by 1, we get y cube minus x multiplied by 3y squared, 3x y cube dy over dx over x. Okay, positive 5 sin x. We need to divide all of this by y to the power of 6, dy over dx equal to 5 sin 5x. Okay, 6 minus 3, we get 1 over y to the power of 3 minus, so 3x y to the power of 4 dy over dx equal to 5 sin 5x. 2y in square is 4 dy over dx minus 1 over y cube, minus and minus become positive, 3xy over 4 dy over dx equal to 5 sin 5x. Then we need to factorize the dy over dx as this, and rewrite the equation, plus 3x over y power of 4. Okay, so equal to 5 sin 5x plus 1 over y cubed. Okay, so dy over dx, we need to make sure that the denominator of this equation is same with the other side. So 2y e by square minus 4 multiplied by y to the power of 4, okay, y power of 4 plus 3x over y power of 4. Okay, so 1 over y cube plus 5 sin 5x, we need to do the same way. So 5 sin 5x multiplied by y cube, and 1 multiplied by 1 by y cube, we get y cube plus 1 over y cube. Okay, so to simplify all the equation, we got 2 to the power of 5 exponent y square minus 4 over 4 plus 3x over y to the power of 4 equal to 5 sin 5x. Then we multiply with y cube, so 5y cube sin 5x plus 1 over y cube. Need to let dy over dx become the subject, so dy over dx is equal to, remove this whole equation to the right side, so it will become 5y to the power of 3 sin 5x plus 1 over y cube over 2y exponent y5 exponent y power of 2 minus 4 plus 2x over y power 4. We assume that this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is B. Okay, so first we need to do is A to multiply by D over B multiplied by C. So when we put the value inside the formula, we get dy over dx equal to, okay, we assume that this whole equation is A, so 5y cube sine 5x plus 1. Yeah, so this is A, then multiply by the y to the power of 4 over BC. So B is y cube and C is 2y to the power of 5 exponent y square minus 4 plus 3x. We get 5y to the power of 7 sine 5x plus y to the power of 4 over 2y power of 8 and exponent y to the power of 2 minus 4 plus 3x y cube. Then we can simplify the variable of y by 4 minus 3, we get 4 minus 3, we get 1, and 7 minus 3, we get 4, and 8 minus 2, we get 4. So the answer is 5y over 4 sine 5x plus y over 2y to the power of 5 exponent y square minus 4 plus 3x. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Question number 4. Use linear approximation to estimate the value of 4 square root 15.98 minus 15.98 divided by 4 power of 2. Correct to 3 decimal place. So 4 square root 15.98 minus 15.98 divided by 4 power of 2. So from this equation, fx equal to 4 square root x minus x divided by 4 power of 2. Okay, from this equation we need to differentiate f prime equal to 1 over 4 x power of minus 3 over 4 minus 2 times x over 4. So from this we need to use quotient rule. The formula is vu prime minus uv prime over v square. V is 4, so v prime equal to 0, u equal to x, u prime equal to 1. Okay. From this 1 over 4 x minus 3 over 4 minus 2 times x over 4 times 4 times 1 minus x times 0 divided by 4 square. X equal to 15.98, x not equal to 16. From this, delta x equal to x minus x naught. Substitute 15.98 minus 16 equal to negative 0.02. The formula is fx naught plus f prime x naught delta x. F substitute 16 plus f prime 16 delta x. Delta x is equal to negative 0.02 because we already calculate it in here. So substitute delta x negative 0.02, negative 14 plus negative, we get negative 16k over 32 times negative 0.02. Okay, from this calculate all of this, we get negative 30.960625. We need in 3 decimal place, so it will become negative 13.9631. Yeah.